Hey MacEwan University, it's Kovac from Peer Health and Education team, and I'm here today with this week's wellness post. We, being the Peer Health and Education team mentors, we are here with some tips and tricks that would help you to prepare yourself for the final exam season. There are different study methods which you can apply when you're studying for your final exam, such as Pomodoro technique, active recall, and spaced repetition, but it's really important for you to find out which one works best for you. One of the best tips that I can give you is that break down your studying into several manageable parts and do not try to cram everything the day before the exam because you're not really going to retain any information. Try to make a proper schedule which is attainable and maintainable. Your schedule can range from travel time to study blocks and study breaks and other commitments. Having a manageable and organizable schedule can really help you to keep track of things. Pick a comfortable and good study location where there are as many less distractions as possible, and make sure it's not your bed because your bed is not going to help you retain the information or motivate you to study. And remember not to procrastinate. Have an organized schedule that will allow you to balance your course load. Set goals that are achievable, such as studying a chapter for 2 hours a day and then revising it while taking breaks in between. Study in intervals, have a break time for yourself, go on walk and exercise, and remember to treat yourself to keep yourself motivated.